If you're moving to a new PC and don't want to lose your Firefox bookmarks, passwords, and settings, this quick video will show you how to transfer your Firefox profile to another computer. First, on your old computer, open Firefox, click the three-line menu in the top right corner, go to Help, then click More Troubleshooting Information. On this page, find Profile Folder and click Open Folder. Now close Firefox completely. Go back to the Profile folder and copy the entire Profile folder. Then paste it onto a USB drive, external hard drive, or cloud storage. Next, move to your new PC. Install Mozilla Firefox if it's not already installed, then open it once and close it again. This creates a new Profile folder. Open Firefox again. Click the three-line menu, go to Help, then click More Troubleshooting Information. You can also type about://profiles in the address bar and press Enter. It will open the same page. Now click Open Folder under Profile folder. Close Firefox again. Now open your USB drive and copy the old Firefox profile files by pressing Ctrl+A to select all and Ctrl+C to copy. Next, paste them into this folder. When prompted, choose Replace the files in the destination. Once the copy is complete, close File Explorer. Finally, open Firefox. Your bookmarks, saved passwords, history, extensions, downloads, and settings will now be restored on the new computer. That's how to transfer a Firefox profile to a new PC quickly and safely. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.